Good morning, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, Only Wood Floors. Getting ready to start a sand and refinish. We're going to be staining this probably a darker brown because it looks like there's some pet stains that we're going to have to hide. You just never know until you start sanding it. So I couldn't tell you, and I've been doing this over 35 years. So anyone who says they could tell you, they're probably mistaken. But look at that view. I'm going to turn this around. We'll walk inside. But yeah, that's not going to be a bad view for the next couple of days. So we're going to start off with just this room and these 3 steps, and we're going to come back and we'll do the upper area. We're going to hang some plastic right here. You can see these little darker spots. You just never know until you start sanding if they're going to come out or not. We're also going to remove this shoe molding and replace it with oak. We're going to stain it to match the floor. But a beautiful place, beautiful fireplace, beautiful view. And Chris, you said you've been here since 1969?
Well, my family's owned the house that whole time, right?
You've come and gone.
I've been here the whole time.
You've come and gone. It's hard to leave this.
It's not hard to leave Southern California.
No. So guys, a couple of hours, you'll see the during, and you'll see what a difference it looks like.